Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get quartiles in Excel. First, open your Excel spreadsheet containing the data you wish to analyze. Quartiles are essential for understanding data distribution, splitting your dataset into 4 equal segments. We will explore the simple functions Excel provides to perform these calculations accurately. This process is straightforward and highly beneficial for statistical analysis. To use the quartile.inc function, select an empty cell where you want the result. Type equals quartile.inc, then open parenthesis. The first argument is your data range or array. The second argument, quart, specifies which quartile you need. 1 for the first quartile, 2 for the median or second quartile, and 3 for the third quartile. Close the parenthesis and press Enter to see your result. Excel also provides the quartile.exe function, which works similarly but excludes the median from its calculation. Again, type equals quartile.exe followed by an open parenthesis. Input your data range as the array, then specify the quartile number, 1, 2, or 3. Remember, the second quartile here represents the median of the upper or lower half, not the overall median. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Always double-check your data range to avoid errors in your quartile calculations. Selecting the correct function, either quartile.inc or quartile.ext, depends on whether you want to include or exclude the median in your quartile definition. Experiment with both to understand their differences for your specific data analysis needs. Also, for ultimate comfort and durability, check out Darn Tough socks with their lifetime warranty. You can find a link to these and other great deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.